Did you know the bananas sitting on your kitchen counter are technically radioactive? Yes, the same fruit you slice into your morning cereal is giving off radiation right now. Before you panic and toss them in the trash, relax. You'd need to eat about 10 million bananas at once to get a dangerous dose. But how can something as harmless as a banana be radioactive at all? Let's peel back the science behind this strange fact. Introduction: bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world, rich in potassium, delicious, and convenient. But hidden inside every banana is a fascinating scientific story, one that connects your snack to nuclear physics, space radiation, and even the way scientists measure radiation exposure. Welcome to Peakstate, where we explore the amazing, the strange, and the slightly radioactive world around us. The science of potassium-40. To understand why bananas are radioactive, we need to talk about potassium, an essential mineral that keeps your heart beating and your muscles working. But not all potassium atoms are the same. A very tiny fraction, about 0.012%, exists as a rare isotope called potassium-40. This isotope is unstable, meaning its atomic nucleus occasionally breaks apart, releasing energy in the form of radiation. This process is called radioactive decay, and it's happening all the time, not just in bananas, but in your body too. That's right, you are slightly radioactive because you also contain potassium. How radioactive is a banana, really? So, how much radiation are we talking about? On average, one banana gives off around 0.1 microsieverts of radiation. To put that in perspective, a single dental X-ray gives you about 50 microsieverts, and a flight from New York to London exposes you to about 70 microsieverts due to cosmic rays. So, you'd need to eat about 700,000 bananas just to equal the radiation from one airplane trip. Clearly, your breakfast isn't going to turn you into the Hulk. The banana equivalent dose. Scientists found this so amusing that they came up with a fun unit of measurement, the banana equivalent dose, or BED. It's not an official scientific unit, but it helps people understand radiation in a relatable way. For example, living near a nuclear power plant might expose you to the same radiation as eating a few dozen bananas a year. It's a humorous reminder that radiation is all around us, and most of it is completely harmless. Everyday radioactivity. Bananas aren't unique. Many everyday items emit small amounts of natural radiation. Brazil nuts are actually more radioactive than bananas because they absorb elements like radium from the soil. Potatoes, avocados, even beer, all contain trace radioactive isotopes. The air we breathe contains radon gas, and the ground beneath us emits radiation from uranium and thorium. Even your body, yes, you, constantly emits radiation from carbon-14 and potassium-40 inside your tissues. In fact, the Earth has been radioactive since it was formed. It's part of what keeps our planet warm inside. Why small radiation isn't dangerous? When people hear radiation, they often think of nuclear disasters and danger, but not all radiation is bad. The truth is, we've evolved surrounded by natural background radiation. It's in the air, the soil, and even the stars above us. Our bodies have adapted to handle these tiny doses without any harm. In fact, some radiation is essential in science and medicine, from X-rays to cancer treatments. So while too much radiation is definitely harmful, the trace amounts in a banana are completely safe, even charmingly scientific. Conclusion: so, next time you peel open a banana, remember, you're holding a natural piece of atomic history. A fruit that's not just delicious and nutritious, but a little bit nuclear. And that's the beauty of science. Sometimes, the most ordinary things are quietly extraordinary. Thanks for watching Peakstate, where curiosity never sleeps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.